Computer science videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to send an email on the Microsoft Outlook desktop application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in the tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Microsoft Outlook application. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start the tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go around to the dock. Go to Launchpad. Go to the Microsoft Outlook application. Enter to open up the application. Wait for that to load. Once that has loaded, that should take you to your email inbox where you have signed into. If you haven't, go to the previous tutorials to learn how to sign into your account. And so let's now go to the top left corner where it says new email. Let's now compile the email before we schedule send. Let's just say, dear Rayhan, this is a test email. Kind regards. And then you will have your signature. For this tutorial, as we are sending through the admin account, we'll just finalize as admin. Let's now go to where we add the recipients. Rayhan at Computer Science Videos. Let's put the subject as a test. In the previous tutorial, we did click on send. In this tutorial, we are looking to schedule send. So we will click on the arrow and schedule send. This will now bring up a box to let us select when this email should be sent. So let's now change the date to the 4th and the time will be changed to, let's just say 23:30, or let's just change it to 29. And we will schedule send this. So if I now click on send, this will now be sent. As you can see, this is in the draft at the moment. When it does get sent, it will be redirected to the sent folder. So we can now minimize Outlook for the moment. Now let's go around to the dock. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Now let's navigate to our inbox via Microsoft Outlook web-based. So let's now go to Office 365. We are now waiting for that email to come through to the inbox. Any second now, that should drop. And there we go. We have now received that test email via the schedule send function on Microsoft Outlook. So there it is. Dear Rayhan, this is a test email. Kind regards, the admin. So we can now quit Safari, go all the way down to the dock, go back to Microsoft Outlook, quit Outlook. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.